So in this video, I'm going to do a little trust wallet review for you guys. All right. So most persons have been asking, they don't know their way around trust wallet. It's been nice that you know your way around where you are storing your wealth, like where you store your money, where you call your safe, so that you can know your way to navigate what to do and what not to do. So why I'm trying to show you guys these things, I'm just gonna try to do some funny things. All right. So mind you, this is a demo account. All right, this is the demo wallet. All right. So I'm trying to go and do some funny things to see the possibility of what's possible, like what might happen in the worst case scenario. One thing that is possible and Trust Wallet is if you lose your phone, or you lose control of your wallet, or maybe you lose the device that the wallet is connected to. You are bound to lose the wallet, except you have the recovery phrase, and you with that recovery phrase is what you can always recover it. So I want to see in the situation whereby no, let's just navigate our way through. All right, so if you want to see what is possible and what is not possible, so let's just get into the video and navigate through my trust wallet. All right, so see you in. All right, so this is my wallet here. So I'm gonna open it here, right here. So you're gonna see that it's empty. There's nothing in it because it's just for this tutorial purposes. All right. So if you check my previous video, you see that I show you guys how to add these coins here, like how to add different coins here, but I'm still going to go over that again. So this is the balance of whatever that is on the wallet displays here, and you can literally rename your wallet here. You can literally rename it by tapping here. All right, and that's when you tap there, you can rename it. Let's say I can call this WinRace wallet, WinRace wallet. So it goes like that. So I would have love to go ahead to show you guys a recovery phrase right here. This is tutorial, so it doesn't matter. I'm not going to use this wallet, never going to use it. All right, but this place will be blank, the video will be blank. All right, so you see this, if you've created yours by now, you should be sure that you save the recovery phrase, because if you lose it, nobody, not even Trust Wallet, can help you recover it. Then I can literally export my recovery public keys. All right, so here, if I tap on this delete button here, I can literally delete this wallet and probably create another one. But once that wallet is deleted, okay, which we are going to attempt in this video, to attempt recovering it back with recovery phrase. All right, so here, then here we have tokens, we have finance. If you click on the finance, you will see the different finance. That's Agorant, Kava, BNB, Tezos, Cosmos, Tron. All right, then you see, click here, you see you can literally see collectibles, and you can actually receive collectibles here. All right, so you can actually receive collectible there. So you can click back on tokens, so that you see the tokens section. Then here, like I told you all in the last video, this is where you add a new wallet. Okay, you can literally add any wallet right here. All right, any what do they call it, any coins right from here. Okay, coins or token, you can literally add them from here. All right, you can see that either you search them out by their name, or you use their contract ID to find the coins. So that's where to add coins. Then here is where to send. All right, so there's no cryptocurrency, there's no coin balance within the wallet, so no coin will display there. If not, typically a coin will display right here. All right, okay, so since those that are in Nigeria, you know that you can't buy coins with cards. So this option is literally disabled here. Okay, so if you click there, okay, I've told you this is where you receive all the coins. Then this dApps here, this dApps here is where you find different website that is within the smart chain that you can literally use to, you know, swap tokens or stake token utility. You see utility, okay, exchanges. All right, so literally what most persons use, which I personally do use most times, is this pancake swap. All right, so maybe in subsequent video I'll teach you how to use the pancake swap. So that's what you get all this new dApps, and then DeFi. All right, popular. All right, so pancake swap is the most popular here. All right, so here is where you can literally exchange two different coins within your wallet. Let's say you can literally switch a BNB to an Ethereum and Ethereum back to BNB. All right, so you can switch two different coins here. Okay, you can swap them here. And for the exchange, here is where you can carry on some exchange. But if you want to do exchange, like you want to exchange different coins, I believe you should use the pancake swap. But here's where you can carry on your exchange. All right, then setting. In this setting here, there are a lot of things to set. Okay, if you click on wallet, it will literally take you to the wallet. The name that we just searched, all right, will be here through the main app home. And then here you can switch your wallet to dark mode, or you can leave it at light mode. And then for the security, you can literally put a passcode on your wallet, or just leave it like that. Okay, or you want to auto change the address. All right, so then push notification. Okay, I believe you should allow push notification, so that whenever there is whenever there is send and whenever you send a coin, or you receive a coin, or you get the notification. Then the preference here, okay, the app browser, okay, you leave that on. Then currency here, you can literally set this to be in your local currency. All right, you know, you can literally set your wallet to operate based on your local currency. So let's say I decide to make it let me see if I can use something NGN. Okay, let me make it NGN, so you can see my wallet are just reflected in NGN everything. Then price alert. All right, you can literally set price alert for any particular token that you see here. You can choose the token in question that you want to set the price alert for. That's whenever it reaches that price, it will alert you. Then wallet connection, this tells you the number of things your wallet is connected to. All right, so like if you connect to Ether or Ether wallet on through your browser, it will show you here. If you connect to Pancake, it will show you here. So whatever you're connected to. So these are the list of communities down here that you can literally join. You can literally join and get updates on your wallet. So if you click on the YouTube community, okay, you can see Trust Wallet YouTube community. So you can literally join and see update about the Trust Wallet. All right, so I told you some things like let's attempt something. You know, if you lose your wallet, you can't gain it back if you don't have the recovery phrase. All right, so I'm going to try to delete this. All right, okay, did that work as expected? Did it work? Okay, it says an error occurred. So Okay, I just deleted that wallet. So I just deleted my wallet right now, so I'm going to see if I can use recovery phrase to recover back the wallet. Okay, so let us attempt doing that right now. Let me get the recovery phrase. So I have recovery phrase. Okay, trust wallet. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is, I don't know, this part might not be displayed, but even if it's not displayed, you can hear my voice and the explanation literally. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to be typing it in. Okay. Alright, so let me try adding that back now. So in most cases this screen might be blank, so for that purpose I might use another phone to record the screen. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's already have a wallet, trust wallet. So okay, so I'm just gonna be entering the phrase there. Okay, so I'm going to enter the phrase there. This time I'm going to literally type it in with my hands. Like this first one is scheme. Okay, then struggle, then again. Alright, so what I'm literally doing now is I'm entering the recovery phrase one after the other. Okay, so I know most person might want to do this experiment with their real wallet, so I just have to do this with this so that we know the risk that is involved. Alright, to see if at any point anybody mistakenly deletes a wallet, if you can recover it back in any way. Then the last word, bronze. Okay, so I just, if you can see right here, okay, this is the mobile phone I'm using. I just entered the entire wallet address right here. Okay, so I want to see if it will import the wallet back. So I'm gonna click import. So let's see. Oh wow, it really did. Wow, it actually did imported the wallet back, but there's something that is not there. The name has changed. The name did change. Alright, so the recovery phrase was able to, we're able to use the recovery phrase to import the wallet. So guys, this is to tell you that the recovery phrase is very, very important. So no matter what you do, try to keep your recovery phrase safe enough. Alright, so save it in your bank or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed the review about on Trust Wallet. And if by now you're not subscribed to my channel, BINANCE channel, please do well to hit the subscription button there, and then enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload, you'll be the first to see the video and be the first to take action and to learn whatever that is in it. So see you in my next video.